Okay, kiddos, this is a very quick demonstration of my hover mower that I bought here. It actually rides on a cushion of air. You can see how it scrapes without the motor turned on. As soon as I turn the mower on, it glides one-handed, two-handed, side to side, front and back. It works really well. On smooth grass surfaces, so if you have a super bumpy yard, it may not work as well. But this is just a quick little demonstration of how easy it is to move the mower around. It's very lightweight. Anybody can pick it up with one hand, even a kid. It's that light. This is with the grass catcher removed. You can see it over on the right hand side. And that's about it. Here just using the mower to clean off the patio area that got some of the grass and dirt and stuff thrown in. So there's a quick video of my hover mower here in England.